want to download the app, whether from the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once installed, you can create a free account by signing up with your email address and setting a password. After registration, you will gain access to Wiser free features. These usually include basic budgeting tools, goal tracking, and financial insights. Some premium features may also be available through free trials, so be sure to check any notification or prompt in the app that highlights trial opportunities. Occasionally, Wiser runs promotions or offers temporary access to premium tools at no cost. So it's worth keeping an eye on announcements within the app or on their official website. You can also participate in community forums or groups available in Wiser, which not only gives you network opportunities but also tips from other users making the most of the app. And that's it, all there is to it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.